Okay, so we're here in an undisclosed physical therapy unit where we're going to meet with Jessica. She's going to tell us about electronic stimulation therapy. What's up, man?
So basically what happens is when you have an injury, you've actually already destroyed the cells. And so this is sort of a biochemical thing that's going on in your body, and the electricity speeds up the process. So it's generating those cells at a faster speed than your body would normally.
Basically, the story is I got into a car accident about a year ago. Got some whiplash, neck, shoulders, knees and toes. And yeah, I went to some chiropractors. They were a little suspect. They were putting my hands in different kinds of goos, which to me seems, I don't know. I haven't seen anybody speak about goo treatment. Okay, yeah, one thing I'm gonna do is try to explain this in just a lot of idiot ways, and you tell me if I'm really far away or really close.
Okay.
So is this like an electronic massage?
It is, actually. It's very similar.
Your brain it communicates, but unlike a whale that uses song or a human that uses word, your brain uses electrical impulses, and they send them down to the muscles. And what we've done is we've created a fake brain, which is these electrodes, and they're sending all sorts of signals, just like, guys, get it together, get up, let's go, we've got back pain, we gotta solve this. And everybody's just freaking out, and there's a lot of motivation to move. Is that about right?
It sounds about right.
Really? It's been night and day. You know, I was already kind of recovering since I didn't come here until 4 or 5 months into the recovery, but definitely haven't felt significant pain since. Mobility is good. The cool thing about electronic stimulation is it's something you can do preventatively or once you have a problem. Yeah, without further ado, let's get zapped.
Basically what it's doing, it's contracting and relaxing your muscles. To you it feels like a massage, to your muscles it feels like a workout.
Enough talk, let's party.
Come on.
You're not moving your shoulders voluntarily at all right now.
Not at all.
That's wild.
You will have involuntary muscle movements, and that's completely normal. Your brain can only take so much stimulus, so pain is a stimulus. So with this, what you want is you want the stimulus of pain to be overridden by the stimulus of electricity.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so it's really up to you. So if you don't feel your pain anymore and you feel the electricity, then we're at a good place.
One of my favorite words that I've ever heard from my high school wrestling coach whose goal in life was to keep his chest farther out than his stomach. Wait. What was the lesson? Oh my God, did I just lose the train of thought? What was it? Wait, what were you just saying? Muscle confusion.
Muscle confusion.
This is muscle confusion?
It is. Yeah, definitely. It's more brain confusion, but it's occurring in the muscles, so your brain is just confused.
You had it, Coach Duvall. You had it early. And he kept his chest farther than his stomach till the very end. I haven't seen him in years.
Is this recommended? Like ideally you would do this every morning after you have a cup of coffee?
You definitely could. The only issue you would come across is that your muscles might actually get used to the sensation, which is why most machines have like 6 to 10 settings. So you might want to switch up the settings so that your muscles don't get used to it.
Gotcha.
But there's no contraindications. There's nothing that says that if you do it every day, you're going to develop this or that. It's really safe, really holistic, non-invasive, non-narcotic. So it's a good solution to a lot of people's pain.
So have sparks ever flown in this chair?
No.
So tell us more. What are your goals, Jessica?
I actually think I'm living my goal. We have a very broad spectrum that we work with. We can work with kids with autism, to newborns, to the elderly. There's a place for us anywhere, really.
Jessica, I feel like we can make another video with you about being content with your life.
That's what this whole series is about, right?
Right?
Yeah.
I kind of feel like it.
We pick something stupid like an ice bath, and then it's like, here's how we're vulnerable as men. It's like a weird secondary lesson through all of them. So yeah, help people in your work. Jessica.